I'm Alex Anderson, and I'm really excited to tell you about my 4-in-1 tool. It's actually been in the quilting world for quite a while. In fact, it was developed in 2009. Yeah. Anyways, I wanted a tool that could do a bunch of different things for you, kind of an all-in-one. So we came up with the 4-in-1 tool, and of course it's with C&T Publishing. First of all, on each end, you've got this and this going on. This is for when you're wanting to just do some real fast pressing beside your sewing machine. It's got a beautiful angle to it, and it's just great. And then this side is the side that you can poke out corners. You know, if you use your scissors or something like that, it's going to poke a hole right through it, but not this. But oh, there's magic underneath. So we take off this end, the poker end, and here is a beautiful stiletto that you can use when you're feeding your piecing into your sewing machine and other things too. Put the lid back on, and then on this end, ta-da, a seam ripper. And this is a really, really good seam ripper. Shh, don't tell anyone. It's actually the one that BERNINA sends you when you get their machine. We also designed it, and this wasn't me, this was somebody else who came up with it, with 4 sides so that it doesn't roll off your table and you're forever having to get it off the floor. But last but not least, perhaps the most important thing, it's signed. Anyways, if you don't have this tool, I think you would really love it. And if you have a quilting buddy that you need to get a gift for, I strongly recommend this. Happy quilting.